My left hand is always so hard. There we go. Okay guys, today we are going to show you how to unlock handcuffs. We don't have a key because yesterday I had the keys. I put them in my pocket. I handcuffed myself. I took the keys out of my pocket and the key was completely broken. So we had to take the handcuffs off with no keys. So we learned how to do it with this. So what you'll need is a lock picking set, or if you don't have that, you need a paper clip. I just learned how to do it today. So we'll show you how to unlock it with the paper clip or the lock picking set if you have one. We'll be right back. Okay, so I don't know exactly how we did this, but I think we took a paper clip, bent the side that comes out.
My brother made it, and he made it when he was trying to pick a lock, like a master lock.
Okay, yeah, so as you can see, I have no idea what I'm doing here, but it does get the job done, almost.
It just takes a little bit.
It just takes a while, and most of the time gets stuck in there. But yeah, it's really hard to do with a paper clip. I'd recommend getting a set like this with these. It comes with like 15 or 20, and then an actual lock to pick.
But it's like a clear plexiglass
it's like
lock.
A clear plexiglass lock that you can see what you're doing when you're unlocking it. And then it's easier to unlock the handcuffs. But yeah, what you want to do is you put this in like so, then you push it down and it unlocks it. But what I didn't get an actual like police handcuffs. I got these cheap ones that work actually a lot better than police handcuffs because it's like holes and teeth, and it takes a lot longer. It's a lot harder to unlock it.
And it takes a little bit to figure out because
yesterday it took us like 2 hours to figure out how to do it.
And I found a lever, but there's two levers in there. There's one that makes it tighter, and I kept catching on that and couldn't get the one that would unlock it. It's down in there.
There's like 2 gears, I think.
Yep.
Right? Yeah. But yeah, it's a lot harder than regular handcuffs. So, as you know, I had 2 keys with this. I had 2 keys when I bought it from a garage sale for like $5. So it was in perfect shape. It still pretty much is. The handcuffs are. But one of the keys broke. I took it out of my pocket last year, and then yesterday the other key broke. This one was clearly chipped off. So I'm giving these handcuffs to Ben after I get new black handcuffs. Like they're really nice. They work really good, and hopefully I'm gonna get handcuff keys for him to open this without using these. So yeah, that's roughly but not really how you pick handcuffs. Didn't really help, sorry. But I will be back with some more stuff later next week or the week after that. Like some cool stuff. I'm gonna be at a camping trip, so I'm gonna be taking a lot of videos there. And I'll have a lot of fun, and I hope you guys have fun watching these videos. So thank you, and